Are you always stressed about your spaghetti codes? Or have you ever wondered why some programs are easier to understand and modify than others? That's where OOP comes in. In this video, we will see what OOP is, compare it to procedural programming, cover the key concepts, and show a tiny Java examples. Without further ado, I'm Marl with Yumi and Mary Rose. Today, we are diving into the world of object-oriented programming.
So, what exactly is object-oriented programming? Think of it like organizing your room. Instead of throwing everything on the floor, you put clothes in the closet, books on the shelf, and gadgets in drawers. OOP does the same thing with code. It organizes everything into neat, manageable pieces called objects. Let me give you a real-world example. This toy car is an object. It has properties like color, brand, and model. It also has behaviors like starting the engine, turning, and braking. In programming, we can create a digital version with the same properties and behaviors. OOP is important because it makes our code more organized, reusable, and easier to understand. Just like having an organized room makes life easier.
Now, let's compare two ways of programming: procedural programming and object-oriented programming. In procedural programming, it's like following a recipe step by step. For example, step 1, get student name. Step 2, get student grade. Step 3, calculate average. And last but not the least, step 4, print result. It works, but scaling or changing code can be messy. In OOP, it's like having a smart kitchen, where each appliance knows what to do. You have a student object that starts its own name, grade, and can calculate its own average. Advantages? It's more organized, reusable, and if you need to change something, you only do it in one place instead of hunting through hundreds of lines.
Let's look at the first key concept, classes and objects. Think of a class as a blueprint, like a blueprint for a house. The object is the actual house built from that blueprint. For example, a phone class might have a brand and color properties, and a make call method. Then you can create multiple objects. My phone, your phone, each following the same blueprint. Second concept, encapsulation. Think of it like a treasure chest. The gold inside is protected. You can't just grab it directly. You need the key or proper method to access it. Third concept, inheritance. Like family traits, children inherit features from their parents. A dog class inherits it from animal, but also has its own bark method.
Anyways, and for the recap, we've learned that OOP organizes code into objects. Classes are like the blueprint that we can refer into, keeping the data safe through encapsulation and allowing a proper method to get access to it, and allows code reuse through inheritance. With OOP, you can create a much cleaner, easier to manage, and more flexible lines of code.